Okay, guys, we're going to be doing the leg curl. So what that is going to work on is going to be your hamstrings. So you're going to get a machine like this. Biggest thing here is you're going to be pulling on the handles. Okay, you're going to go up. Go ahead and go up. Back down. 1, 2, 3. Up. Squeeze it. 1, 2, 3. Don't be afraid to squeeze it right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now here's another tip, guys. Okay, you're going to want to throw your pelvis into the pad. Okay, that's where your hip is. You're going to want to drive that into the pad. You can't see her doing that, but she's driving her pelvis in. That way it's putting more stress on the hamstrings there. So go up, squeeze, 1, 2, 3, up, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. That's how you do a leg curl.